Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Realme. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System Settings. Now tap on one-handed mode and click on this switcher in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to switch it to gestures in order to use this mode. You can do that from here by tapping on Settings in the pop-up, tapping on Gestures next to Buttons, and choosing Learn or Cancel in the pop-up. Now click on the top left corner and click on this switcher again. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can always go back by tapping on this dark area or simply swiping up. In order to disable one-handed mode, click on the same no blue switcher. If you wish to go back to Tricky's navigation, click on the top left corner, select System Navigation at the top, and tap on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!